sweetie. Hi, sweetie. It's okay. Aww. Don't be nervous. Hi. Well, aren't you friendly? Aren't you handsome? Hi, sweetheart. Oh, what a good boy. This is Duke. Duke really needs a rescue. Look how sweet he is. Hi. Well, she's a little scared. Hello, Wrigley. Hi, Wrigley. Hi, sweetie. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Shh. Oh, audio. You are verbal. Hi. Oh, you're just dying for attention. Oh, sweet. It's okay. Oh, hey, somebody wants to get out of here. This is Bunny. You can see how sweet she is. Bunny. And who are you? Look at you. Hi. Hi there. Hey, baby. Hi there. Oh, I see your little nub wagging. Hey, you're Zane. Hi, Zane. Hi, sweetie. Oh, aren't you sweet? Aren't you sweet, baby boy? Come here. Hi there. Oh. Zane. Okay. I'm not sure who you are, but you're cute. Hi there. Come here. Come here. Oh, hello. Hello. Who do we have over here? Well, you're cute too. You're cute too. Hi there. Hi there. Oh, sweetie. You're so sweet. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Hey, handsome. Still not sure, people. It's okay. No, that's all right. I know you're scared. Well, hey, little one. What are you doing out here? What are you doing out here? You're a sweetie pie. Hi there. This is a little dachshund. Isn't she cute? Oh. And here's Copper. And is this Sparkle? Are you Sparkle? Oh, I remember you being jumpy before. Hi, Copper. Hi. Okay. Cute puppies.